Oh, lordy, lordy.
Okay, so let me just fill you in a little bit on what we're doing over here. I had 12 of these huge pines, 12 of them. And well, I searched high and low for somebody to do it. A lot of people chickened out. They just don't like to work, I guess. I don't know. But I found this gentleman.
Hi, my name is JD with JD Tree Service.
And he took on the task, him and his gallant crew.
Yes, we've been in business. Let's see, I'm 64 years old. I've been in business ever since I was 17, doing trees and lawns and all that. So yeah, this is no problem for us. And if you ever need anything done that somebody don't want to do, give us a call.
What areas do you serve?
We serve from Marco Island all the way to Punta Gorda.
And of course, that's in Florida. So if you up north, you better get some plane tickets together.
Yes, we'd be more than happy to come wherever you need us to be, especially if it's a job that it takes a professional to do.
And that's they are. Now, remember the all the wirings that we almost lost? They got around it, where others were really chicken. They didn't want to do it. They looked at that and they just like, ah. So give them your info.
Like I said, my name is JD with JD Tree Service, and their telephone number, the office number is area code 239-454-2476. My personal cell, is area code 239-910-8216. And you can call either one of those numbers and we'll be more than happy to get to you as soon as we can. I'll give you a call back. If you call one day, I'll probably give you a call back the next day. But just be patient with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you guys out.
Well, personally, I really want to thank you because this was, ever since the storm, I learned so many lessons, and this was one of them. Don't have big trees like that in your backyard if you don't want to lose your house. Remember, after the storm, all of the damage that we got, and most of them were the trees. Now, not only will we have all these trees out of the way and all that danger out of the way, but we are also going to be doing a lot of stuff over here in the yard. For those who followed the martial arts part, we're going to be doing a lot of stuff over here. Now we can put all our equipment down here. For those who are, remember what we were talking about over here, that's going to be the outside shop where all the welding is going to take place. So there's going to be a lot of stuff that's happening back here now that all these behemoths are going to be gone. These things are like, how tall do you think?
60, 70 feet tall.
60, 70 feet tall. Imagine that. I mean, that thing comes down. Look at those. Those things. Just one of those could kill you.
Oh my Lord, yeah. And plus, they're all mixed up into these power lines and stuff like that, which we've been, we take our time and get it done right. But when we're all done, it'll be all cleaned up and be brand new.
So, this is what happens when you don't have a camera person. So now, we're going to get back to the videos that we're doing. We're almost done. We brought it back to life, and the battery is now ready to go and rock and roll. So let's get back to that.